Alright, so for this question, it asks you to use the Green's theorem to evaluate the integral. So here is the theorem. I'm going to name this m, this is n, so partial of n respect to x equal to 2, and partial of m respect to y is 1. So right here, so partial of n respect to x minus partial of m respect to y is 2 minus 1 is 1. Oops, 1. So the integral of the closed region of 1 dA, in this case, the area of C, of the path C, is an ellipse. So with minor and major axis of 1 and 2. So this ellipse with the minor axis of 1 and major axis of 2. So the area of the ellipse is pi minor times major. So pi multiply the minor, which is 1, multiply the major, which is 2. So the area of the ellipse is 2 pi. Then so the area enclosed here is 2 pi. So 2 pi multiply 1 gives you 2 pi. And your answer is 2 pi.